Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to set up email reminders for others in Outlook, so recipients get notified about upcoming meetings or tasks. This helps keep everyone on track and makes sure important events are not missed. On the Outlook dashboard, to set a reminder on an email, click on Sent Items. Find the email you want to add a reminder to, then Write. Click on it and go to Advanced Options. Then select Create Task. Once the task is created, click To Do on the left side of the dashboard. From here, click the email that was just added, then click it and select Remind Me Now. Next, set the schedule for the reminder. We can choose later today, tomorrow, next week, or pick a specific date and time. Once done, click Save. And that is how we set up email reminders for others in Outlook in just a few simple steps.